Villa Manin in Friuli Venezia Giulia is hosting a contemporary art exhibition running June 8 to October 26.
An amazing exhibition at Villa Manin.
Well, I'm pleased in the first place that you think it is an amazing exhibition. We hope it will provoke amazement, and it's somehow mesmerizing. The works we have here on show are very peculiar. They are not work only to be observed, but to be lived, to be perceived with one's body, with all senses. The exhibition interprets the topic of borderlessness, and we invited a number of artists to either exhibit here or interpret the space with works that they don't represent a constraint, but allow either the visitors either to go through them with their own bodies or to perceive them as transparent. Here behind my back there are a number of curtains that challenge the space they are set into, this colonnade. They multiply the perspectives, and they are somehow mesmerizing. And this is a feature that is common to all the works we have here on show.